How to create YouTube Shorts in NanoBanana.ai. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to the NanoBanana.ai website. Make sure you are logged into your account so you can access all editing and sharing features. Once you are on the dashboard, click the Start Editing button. Here you will find AI tools such as text to image and image edit, which you can use to create visuals for your YouTube Shorts. Keep in mind, NanoBanana.ai doesn't support direct video creation yet, so you will need to create images first and then combine them in a video editor. If you don't have your own images, use the text-to-image feature to generate AI-created visuals. Simply type a description of the image or scene you want, and NanoBanana.ai will produce high-quality visuals suitable for YouTube Shorts. For existing images, use the Image Edit tool to enhance colors, adjust brightness, or apply creative filters. You can also add AI avatars to give your content personality and make it more engaging. Include text overlays, captions, and hashtags to make your short interactive and attention-grabbing. Apply filters and effects to make your visuals fun, creative, and professional-looking. Once your media is ready, download the images. Open any video editing software and import your AI-generated visuals. Arrange them in order, add transitions, background music, and other effects to create the perfect YouTube short. Finally, export your completed short and upload it directly to YouTube. Add a catchy caption, trending hashtags, and share your AI-powered content with the world. Now your YouTube short is ready to grab attention and go viral. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.